Welcome to an innovative world of learning with Optimas Global Institute, India. We're your key to unlocking the potential of the digital world, providing a diverse range of online courses. Dive into the depths of programming languages like C and C++, or explore the versatility of Java and .NET Framework C#.NET. Perhaps you're drawn to the creative side of web designing, or the analytical prowess of SQL, PL/SQL, and MS SQL Server. Maybe you're eager to master HTML, JavaScript, CSS, or advanced Excel, or you could be looking to understand cloud computing with Azure Fundamentals or data visualization with Power BI. At Optimas Global Institute, we've got it all. We're educating the world one course at a time. Reach out to us at 9830746557 or 8240512047, or drop us an email at info.optimasglobal@gmail.com. Don't forget to connect with us on social media. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Optimas Global. Remember, the world of digital marketing awaits you. Unlock your potential with Optimas Global Institute. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Your future is just a click away.